If you're tired of dealing with dim and unreliable headlights at night, then it may be time for an upgrade. That's where LED headlights come in. Not only do they provide superior brightness and clarity, but they also offer longer-lasting performance and better energy efficiency compared to traditional halogen bulbs. But with so many LED headlights in the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why, in this video, I'll be going over the top 7 best LED headlights. Whether you want a headlight with the best quality, the one with long-lasting performance, or you need the most versatile headlight, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 7 is the SuperE H11 Bulbs. This is the best mini-size LED headlight on our list. These are the newest model, and they're seriously impressive. These bulbs give you a whopping 30,000 lumens, which is 1,000% brighter than your old dim lights. Light up the road ahead with a diamond white 6500K glow. It's almost like turning night into day. What's really cool about these bulbs is how easy they are to install. They're designed with a 1-to-1 mini size, so they fit perfectly into your car's existing slots. No complicated adjustments or tools are needed. Just plug and play. And don't worry about any annoying flickering or errors because these bulbs are canvas ready, meaning they're compatible with most car electronics. Whether you need them for high beams, low beams, or even fog lights, they fit H11, H8, and H16 sockets. And you're getting a pack of 2, so you can upgrade both headlights at once. Also, its IP68 waterproof, dustproof, and waterproof design enables the H11 bulb to withstand various weather and environments. While the SuperE H11 bulbs offer impressive brightness and easy installation, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. First, their high brightness might cause glare for oncoming drivers if not properly aligned. But overall, these bulbs are a fantastic upgrade for your car's high and low beams, offering exceptional brightness and clarity with their 30,000 lumens of diamond white light. Easy to install and built to last, these bulbs are both reliable and long-lasting, making your night drives safer and more enjoyable. Number 6 is the Sylvania H11 LED Powersport Bulbs. These are the best headlights on our list for long-term use. If you love off-roading or need better fog lights, you've got to check out these headlight bulbs. These bad boys are perfect for all your off-road adventures or cutting through thick fog. Hit the trails with super bright and superior 6000K cool white LED bulbs that make everything crystal clear. These LEDs are designed specifically for off-road use, meaning they're tough enough to handle the roughest conditions. And if you've ever driven through dense fog, you know how important it is to have reliable fog lights. These bulbs shine through that haze like a champ. One of the best parts is, they're super easy to install. Just pop them into your existing H11 slots and you're good to go. No complicated setup or extra tools are needed. And because they're LEDs, they last way longer than traditional bulbs. So you spend less time worrying about changing your lights and more time enjoying your ride. Whether you're tearing up the trails on your ATV or just want better visibility during those foggy mornings, the Sylvania H11 LED Powersport headlight bulbs are a game changer. They're bright, durable, and easy to install. However, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. These bulbs are specifically designed for off-road use, which may not be suitable or legal for regular on-road driving in some areas due to their high intensity. Additionally, they might require a bit more investment compared to standard bulbs, and their enhanced brightness could potentially cause glare if not properly aligned. But overall, the Sylvania H11 LED Powersport bulbs are an excellent choice for off-road adventures or foggy conditions, providing powerful, bright illumination. Easy to install and durable, these bulbs ensure enhanced visibility and reliability in challenging environments, perfect for those who need dependable lighting performance. Number 5 is the Morimoto H42 Stroke 4.0 LED Bulbs. These are the most high-quality lights on our list. Once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. These bulbs are insanely bright. Whether you're driving on a pitch-black road or through a heavy downpour, these LEDs will light up everything in front of you with a crisp, clear beam. And since they're LEDs, you can count on them lasting way longer than those old halogen bulbs and promise years of reliable performance. Installing these bulbs is a breeze. They're designed to fit right into your car's existing sockets, so it's a simple plug-and-play deal. No special tools or complicated steps are required. You'll have them up and running in no time. What makes these headlights stand out is their advanced cooling technology. These bulbs stay cool even after hours of use, which means they'll keep shining bright without burning out. Plus, they're built to handle all sorts of weather conditions, so you can rely on them no matter where you're driving. Whether you're upgrading for better nighttime visibility or just want the best looking lights on the block, these LED bulbs are the way to go. They're bright, durable, and super easy to install. Overall, the Morimoto H42 Stroke 4.0 LED bulbs offer exceptional brightness and durability, making them a top-of-the-line choice for upgrading your vehicle's lighting. With easy installation and advanced cooling technology, these bulbs provide reliable performance and enhanced visibility. Perfect for those seeking a high-quality lighting solution. And if you want to know the latest prices for the LED headlights discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 4 is the Lasfit H11 9005 LED Bulbs. This upgrade is just what you need to make your night drives brighter and safer. These bulbs are super bright and designed to fit H8, H9 and HB3 sockets, so you get a perfect fit without any hassle. And the best part is, it's an all-in-one plug-and-play setup, meaning you don't need any special tools or skills to install them. Just pop them in and you're ready to go. What really sets these bulbs apart is their non-polarity design. This means you won't have to worry about which way to plug them in. They work either way. Plus, each bulb has a built-in cooling fan. This keeps them running cool and ensures they last a long time, even if you're driving for hours on end. These headlight bulbs feature the latest 16 CSP chips, making them 400% brighter than halogen bulbs. They really improve your night visibility, and you get rid of that old yellow tint, giving your car a cool white light that looks awesome. The LASFIT LC Air series also has a copper heatsink and a 12,000 RPM high-speed hydraulic fan. With high-quality aluminum and smart temperature control, these bulbs stay super cool and last over 30,000 hours. They work great for a long time, so you won't need to replace them often. In this pack of 4, you get everything you need for a complete headlight overhaul. These bulbs are perfect for both high and low beams, giving you a full lighting upgrade in one go. It makes driving at night crystal clear, cutting through the darkness with ease. They're bright, easy to install, and built to last. Overall, the Lasfit H11 9005 LED bulb combo is a top-notch upgrade for your car. With its advanced cooling fan and non-polarity design, it ensures reliable performance and long-lasting durability. So, if you want a simple, effective way to boost your car's lighting, this combo is the way to go. Number 3 is the AUXITO LED Bulbs. These are the most versatile LED headlights on our list. These little powerhouses pack a punch with 6,000 lumens of 6500K cool white light, making your drive safer and more stylish. Cruise through fog or low light conditions with lights that are 300% brighter than your old ones. These bulbs use advanced CSP LED chips to give you that extra brightness. It's like turning on a mini sun in front of your car. One of the best things about these bulbs is how easy they are to install. They're designed with a simple plug-and-play setup, so you don't need any special tools or technical know-how. Just plug them into your H11, H8 or H16 sockets and you're good to go. The fanless design keeps dust out and eliminates noise. The all-in-one compact design, made with aviation-grade aluminum, provides fast and stable heat dissipation, maximizing the lifetime and performance of these fog lights. The light filament of these headlights is in the same position as factory halogen bulbs, perfectly simulating their beam pattern and providing 360-degree full-angle illumination with no shadows or dark spots. This ensures a more extensive vision and a safer driving experience. Plus, with IP65 waterproof and dustproof performance, these lights work well during rainy, snowy, or foggy days, giving you a better view in bad weather. They also have no radio interference and are CAN-bus-ready, making them compatible with 99% of vehicle systems. These bulbs come in a pack of 2, perfect for a complete fog light upgrade. And since they're built for both fog lights and daytime running lights, you get versatile performance. Whether you're driving through thick fog or just want better visibility during the day, these bulbs have got you covered. Also, they're designed to last. You won't have to worry about frequent replacements, saving you time and money in the long run. Overall, the AUXITO LED bulbs are an excellent choice for upgrading your car's fog lights or DRLs. They significantly enhance visibility and offer both superior performance and convenience. Number 2 is the Rimthin H11 LED Bulbs. These are the headlights with the best value on our list. They're perfect for a variety of fog light sizes, giving you an incredible 16,000 lumens of cool white light. Driving at night with a bright, clear view ahead is achievable with these LED bulbs. They shine with a cool white light that's not just super bright, but also crisp and clear. You'll see everything in front of you, making your nighttime or foggy drives a whole lot safer. One of the best things about these bulbs is how easy they are to install. They're designed for a plug-and-play setup, so no need for any special tools or extra effort. Just pop them into your existing sockets and you're ready to roll. This pack comes with 2 bulbs, so you can upgrade both of your fog lights at once. They're perfect for enhancing visibility in bad weather or just giving your car a sleek, modern look. These bulbs aren't just bright, they're also built to last. You won't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon, saving you both time and money in the long run. Overall, if you're ready to take your car's lighting to the next level, grab these Rimthin H11 LED bulbs. They're super bright, easy to install, and incredibly durable, making your drives brighter, safer, and way more enjoyable. Number 1 is the Fahren 9006 HB4 bulbs. These are the best overall LED headlights on our list. These headlights deliver a super bright 22,000 lumens with a crisp 6500K cool white light. They're perfect for replacing those old halogen bulbs, making your drives safer and more enjoyable. Drive at night with a clear, bright view in front of you. These bulbs light up everything with ease, cutting through the darkness like a hot knife through butter. You'll see everything so much better, whether it's road signs, potential hazards, or just the beautiful scenery. One of the best things about these bulbs is how easy they are to install. They're designed for a straightforward plug-and-play setup, so no need for any special tools or complicated steps. Just pop them into your 9006 sockets, and you're good to go. These bulbs come in a pack of 2, perfect for upgrading both your headlights at once. Plus, they're IP68 waterproof, which means they can handle all sorts of weather conditions. Rain or shine, these bulbs will keep on shining bright. Not only are they super bright, but they're also built to last. You won't have to worry about frequent replacements, saving you time and money. Overall, the Fahren 9006/HB4 bulbs are incredibly bright, easy to install, and tough enough to handle any weather, making them perfect for your vehicle's upgrade. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect LED headlight much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.